Lā O Ka Pule. Another important term we must pay attention to, of course, is the names of the days. And the first thing you realize in Hawaiian, we have two basic words. You have la, which means day, and po, which means night. However, we also use the term ao to represent daylight. However, when we count days in Hawaiian, we actually don't count days. Instead, we notice we count nights. And this is part of the traditional idea that the Hawaiian so-called day actually starts at night, from sunset to sunrise, versus from sunrise to sunset. So when we talk about the days of the week, whenever asked the question, what day of the week, which day, we say po'ahia, meaning tell me the number. Po'ahia, po'akahi, po'alua, po'akolu, kapo'aha, kapo'alima, kapo'aono, meaning the first 6 nights of the week. And what represents the idea of Sunday, or the 7th day. We say in Hawaii, not po, but we use the word Lā Pule, the day of prayer. Sometimes you see traditional words like kapaki or sabati, meaning Sabbath. Sometimes you might see the word hebedoma, which means week. But we think of what we call this whole 7-day period as a pule, or as a week, which is a 7-day period. Of course, we know comes from Judeo-Christian ideas. And we'll look at the traditional ideas later. Some things to remember, especially whenever you use the days of the week, is to remember that we treat po as if it is a kikino, which means night. And so therefore it must have a kai in front. So it's not just I po kai. On Monday, for example, on English I might say on Monday. But in Hawaiian, we actually will be saying on the first night. And you notice the first night. So we don't just say I po'akahi, which is a mistake first year. But in fact, in Hawaiian, we'll say I ka po'akahi. So unlike English that does not have a kai, so in English, we don't say on the Monday. But in Hawaiian, we'll be saying on the first night, or ika po'akahi. To represent, of course, if I were to say on Tuesday, ika po'alua, ika po'akolu, ika po'aha, ika po'alima, ika po'aono, and of course on Sunday, ika Lā Pule. And so you notice Sunday as a different kikino, meaning la, day of prayer. Some other important basic ideas to remember, if I wanted to say, as the first one you have here, ka po po'akahi, the night. Which night? The first night, or as you might think of as being Monday night. As if you just say po'akahi, right, we're not sure if you're meaning Monday in the daylight or Monday at night. So we can be specific. For example, if I want to say Monday morning, same thing, Ke kakahiaka po'akahi. Monday late afternoon, ke o kawina la po'akahi. And so forth. And so we notice these terms, kakahiaka, avakea, awinala, and ahiahi, go first, the morning. Yes, I might say the morning of Sunday, or in English you would say Sunday morning, or the morning of Sunday, I ke kakahiak, Lā Pule, and so forth. Other things to remember about the kai is, we can use anything common, right? So a common kai instead of ka would be keia, which would mean this. This Monday. Ikeia po'akahi. Or if I want to say that particular Monday, ke la po'akahi. I might even use ia as an aforementioned Monday, and so forth. So the thing to remember in all of this is that you must have a kai. You must have a kai to precede the use of these words. And commonly, whenever I would say on what day, like the day of the week, I ka po'ahia, I ka po'alua on the second night, which would be, of course, Tuesday. And that's the thing to remember, is that in English we use the terminology day, while in Hawaiian we use the terminology, of course, which is po. Mahalo.